In this video, I'll show you how you can check your PC specs on your PC. What you want to do is you want to come down here and search for System, Information, open up this one, and from in here you'll be able to see everything. Now you can see your RAM that you have installed right here. You'll be able to see your processor. You'll be able to see if you're 32 or 64. You'll also be able to check your current Windows, as well as if you head over here and go more in depth, press on Hardware. From in here you can click on Conflicts and Sharing. In here you can see I'll be able to see my graphics card right here. I can go into memory and I'll be able to see my memory as well. And that's basically how you can check everything. You can go into components if you want to check for more. Sound device, you can see it's my Yeti right here. You can check everything you want in here. You can check your USB, system drivers, and everything that you need to know. So that's basically how you do it, guys. It's really simple. Just open up System Information. If there's something you want to check, let's say you don't know where to find your GPU, but you know that you bought anything, let's say NVIDIA, you can just search for NVIDIA in here and it will show up right here. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.